Hey guys, this is Igal of Cacao Academy channel, and today we're talking about calculating the Fibonacci numbers. So first, how do we calculate the Fibonacci number? We refer to a formula: f of a number position equals f of number position minus 1, f of number position minus 2. Here it's important to mention that we do not substitute 1 from the number itself, but from its position. A lot of times people, when they get this question asked during interview, they make a mistake by thinking that Fibonacci number would be, let's say, if I say what would be a Fibonacci number in position 5, right? So we start calculating, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they say, okay, it would be 4 plus 3. No, but it's not the case. We're talking about positions here. So also it's important to mention that Fibonacci number at position 0 would be 0, and Fibonacci number at position 1 would be 1. And I give you an example. Fibonacci number of position 5 would be 5. So basically it's 2 plus 3. Okay, to calculate it, we're gonna use recursion. Let's take the position as a parameter, and first rule of recursion is to specify the breaking period, or a default return value. So we say if position equals 0, we return 0. Now if position equals 1, again we return 1. So our default values are specified. Now what do we do next? We refer to the formula. So basically we say return calc_fib of position minus 1 plus calc_fib, again referring to the formula, position minus 2. Alright, let's try this code out. First, we do have already our predefined example, 5. Seems to be working. Now don't ask me how, but I know for sure that Fibonacci number at position 9 would be 34. Let's try it out. Okay, 34. Okay, looks like our code is working as expected. I do believe that you find this exercise meaningful and helpful. In addition to that, I'll include links to more details on Fibonacci numbers into the description of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye bye.